Hey everyone! Welcome to Tech Tips for All Ages. Get started now. Whether you're young or just young at heart, today I'm sharing 10 essential tips to kickstart your tech journey. Let's dive right in. First up, dream big, start small. Begin with basic tech skills and build your way up. Got questions? Don't be shy. Ask away. It's all about taking those first steps. Next, code like a pro. Learning basic coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can open a world of opportunities. Websites like Codecademy and Free Code Camp are great places to start. Now, explore, experiment, repeat. Don't be afraid to try new tech tools and software. Experiment with different features and functions. Practice makes perfect. Number 4, join the tech tribe. Connect with other tech enthusiasts online or in person. Attend workshops, meetups, and conferences to learn from others and grow your network. Stay curious, stay hungry. Tech is constantly evolving, so keep up with the latest trends and innovations. Follow tech blogs, podcasts, and influencers to stay informed. Get hands-on experience. Participate in hackathons, coding challenges, or tech projects. Apply what you've learned to real-world problems and see your skills grow. Find your niche. Discover where your passion lies within the tech space. Whether it's AI, cybersecurity, data science, or web development, focus on what excites you the most. Learn from failure. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Analyze your mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Remember, every failure is a step closer to success. Build a personal project. Create something that showcases your skills. Share it with others to get feedback and recognition. It's a great way to demonstrate what you've learned. And finally, stay safe online. Prioritize online security and digital citizenship. Protect your personal data and respect others' online presence. It's crucial to stay safe while navigating the digital world. By following these tips, tech beginners of all ages can quickly gain momentum and launch themselves into the tech space. So, what are you waiting for? Get started now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.